There's Huey. Huey's having a good time. Say hi, Rye.
Hi, Mama.
These are the stairs. You're having a hard time. Let's walk over here to Mary Beth's house. Whoa!
Steep, isn't it crazy?
Look at where it comes up to. That's insane. Almost my knees. That's crazy. Okay, Huey was having a blast.
Well, Sam, I forgot
Hi,
to the
Sammy.
spot. So
Hi,
I opened the door and he ran out up the street and everything. I was freaking out.
Oh, you're kidding me.
You didn't hear me.
I didn't hear you, but I would have run out here too.
I was like, get the keys ready. And he's like, what happened?
Hi, Sammy. Sammy, what you think of the snow?
He loves it. We have some funny pictures of him out there. But he was up to the corner, girl, and I'm freaking.
Can I tell you how pathetic my child is? He is in size 11 snow boots that I found. He wears a 12.5 or 1. And he is in 4T snow suit. Mary Beth is laughing hysterically. I am such a great mom.
You are a great mom.
Uh-huh. And so his 4T suit comes to here. His leg.
Are you having fun, Riley?
At least his coat, his hat, and his gloves fit.
Sorry, Sam. You freaked me out this morning. You can't get down. I'm sorry.
We'll put his gate across.
That's what kid. I
Put
will.
his gate across.
I didn't realize that, so I was like, come on out, because he was watching Richie get the
I just want to watch all the excitement, Mama.
the excitement was me, not,
No, if I had heard you, I would have run outside too. So,
the whole thing was like 4 minutes, but
hi, Bunny.
it doesn't take
Hi, Ange.
long to freak out.
Are you having fun?
I
Show.
believe we got this much snow, Riley?
Say it comes up past your knee.
We went to the grocery store and we got like enough groceries for like 100 people, so.
Oh, yay.
So this is what I know how to
I forgot
do
it takes so long just to get ready to go outside.
Whoa, see?
It's like, what are you digging? Let's show the whole street. This is our quiet
It's very quiet.
street. It's up to the car wheels.
It's funny she said wait for your brother and she was talking about the little kid.
Oh, I know. I love it.
I'm gonna go get my camera and my jacket real quick.
Oh, yay. I know, I couldn't even zip my jacket after I put on so many layers underneath. And there's Sammy.
Hey, Mama.
There's the wreath. Hi, Sammy. Hi.
Mama.
Here comes Huey again. Huey, you're just too cute for words. You're too cute for words. I
Mama,
know.
look at me.
Wrong thing to do, to snowball your mother right when she's standing innocently by.
Get the giant.
That's crazy how much snow there is.
You know, Charlottesville, I talked to the administrator of the Charlottesville office.